The Galaxy Z Fold 5, Samsung's newest flagship foldable device, offers a number of improvements. Samsung has been working hard to bring foldable phones to the general public, but this year the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is the star of the show, as the Galaxy Z Flip 5's wide refresh was present at the table in the shape of an inventive external display, which drew comparisons to the Windows File Explorer icon's diagonal arrangement. There could have been a little less excitement overall. Apart from this striking innovation, the disclosures may not have been as exciting as we had hoped, particularly given what we knew about the Galaxy Z Fold 5. When the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series made its debut, it ignited a wave of high expectations. The common perception was that the Galaxy Z Flip would receive gradual hardware updates, catering to a wider audience, while the Galaxy Z Fold would serve as Samsung's canvas for ambitious hardware experiments and boundary-pushing endeavors. In the initial iteration, Samsung appeared to be making substantial strides, investing considerably in research and development to achieve these enhancements. However, with the arrival of the third generation, a noticeable shift in Samsung's approach became evident, one that diverted from the path of innovation we had anticipated. Now let's just take a look at what upgrades we're getting in the Z Fold 5 compared to the Z Fold 4. To start, a notable enhancement is the absence of any discernible gap when the hinge is in the closed position, delivering a more seamless and refined appearance. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy, representing this step forward from the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, suggesting improved performance and efficiency. Further strengthening its durability, the Fold 5 boasts a more robust screen, a factor of significance in a foldable device. UFS 4.0 storage technology contributes to quicker data access and management. The inner display showcases a heightened brightness level of 1750 nits, potentially enhancing visibility and clarity, even under challenging lighting conditions. While the enhancements are undoubtedly appreciated, they fall short of creating a significant splash in the dynamic landscape of smartphones. Samsung appears to be maintaining a steady course at best, while the competition is forging ahead with noteworthy innovations. This puts Samsung in a vulnerable position, as they find themselves traveling in various aspects, a scenario that contrasts with their historic role as market leaders. This pattern of leveraging the dominant market position has become a recurrent theme in Samsung's recent Galaxy line ventures, causing mounting frustration among enthusiasts and observers alike. For many of us, the Pixel Fold has emerged as the primary contender to Samsung's Galaxy Fold series moving forward. Google's inaugural venture into the realm of foldable is not exempt from drawbacks, yet in its initial release, has managed to outshine Samsung in certain key aspects. Notably, the Pixel phone has taken the lead in terms of camera capabilities, battery capacity, and overall form factor design. Now, we're not saying that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is not tempting, particularly for those of us who harbor an insatiable appetite for new technology. However, when confronted with a scenario where the upgrades on a device which commences at a rather steep price of $1,799 are somewhat limited, it prompts thoughtful consideration, especially for individuals who aren't overly fixated on possessing the very latest Samsung offering. There emerges a pertinent question: why overlook the Z Fold 4 as a viable alternative? Setting aside the absence of a visible app upon closure, a side-by-side comparison of the default 4 and G Fold 5 would reveal an astonishing similarity. Their physical appearance bears such a resemblance that distinguishing between the two becomes a challenging task. Delving into the realm of cameras, minimal disparities are noticeable, if any, since every sensor in the Fold 5 mirrors those in Z Fold 4. This encompasses even a notorious 4-megapixel under-display camera which has garnered its share of criticism. The silver lining, though, lies in the incremental improvements attributed to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2's image signal processor, contributing a modest enhancement to the camera performance. Now, in terms of chipset, while the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 stands out as one of the industry's finest, the question rises whether the majority of users would discern a tangible disparity in performance. Notably, battery life gains present a compelling argument for some users to lean towards the Fold 5. Also in the Galaxy Z Fold 4 mirrors the Z Fold 5 in terms of the external display, battery capacity, and charging speed, retaining a consistent feature set. However, the most compelling reason to lean toward the Fold 4 is its significantly reduced cost, since it can be acquired for approximately half the price of its successor, the Galaxy Fold 5. Naturally, this provides a substantial financial incentive for those who seek a budget-friendly option without compromising on core functionality. Of course, it's worth highlighting that those fortunate enough to avail themselves of the enticing trade-in offers associated with pre-ordering the Galaxy Fold 5, it would be wise to consider that route, as these deals could potentially sway the equation in favor of the newer model. In short, the decision you make regarding your choice of device is inherently tied to both your budget and your specific feature preferences, and acknowledging Samsung's continued dominance in the foldable market, it's unsurprising that many individuals will gravitate towards their offerings. However, our perspective is that Samsung's approach with the Fold 5 does not quite justify the substantial price tag of $1,799 and beyond. If Samsung aims to justify the upward trajectory of the prices, they really need to start experimenting more and provide us with more impressive hardware. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.